What if I told you that tomorrow, a single headline could change everything? Literally everything we think we know about our place in the universe. Well, that day might be way closer than you think.
Okay, so NASA just launched a new space telescope. You're probably thinking, big deal, right? Happens all the time. But trust me, this one is different. Yeah, this isn't about hunting for some mind-blowing galaxy or taking those epic glamour shots of black holes. This thing is hunting for alien air. No, I'm totally serious. Its entire job, the only thing it's designed to do, is to analyze the atmosphere on planets orbiting stars light years away from us. So let's meet this new cosmic detective. Its name is Pandora. And look, if you're picturing some massive, city-sized observatory, you could not be more wrong.
All right, so here's the plan. On January 11th, 2026, it's gonna blast off on a SpaceX Falcon 9. Just a few hours later, it'll phone home and bam, the mission is on. A one-year quest begins. Just think about that for a second. A lone satellite, thousands of kilometers up there, and its only job is to watch worlds we can only dream of visiting. I mean, we all know the James Webb Space Telescope, right? That absolute giant, a titan of space. Pandora? It's about the size of your kitchen refrigerator. Seriously.
It is literally smaller than some people's gaming setups. But its mission? It's asking one of the biggest questions humanity has ever come up with. Talk about a small package with a universe-sized job.
So, hunting for alien air. What does that actually mean? Because this is where things go from just cool space stuff to this could change everything.
Pandora's targets are exoplanets. Planets orbiting other stars, not our sun. And we're not talking about a few. Scientists think there are billions of them just in our galaxy. But here's the thing. Pandora isn't just window shopping. It's gonna lock on to over 20 different alien star systems and just stare at them over and over and over again. Why? To get the most insanely accurate data we have ever collected. What this little refrigerator in space is really asking is, are we it? Is Earth some crazy 1 in a trillion cosmic miracle? Or are we just one of millions, maybe even billions of planets teeming with life out there? Okay, but wait, how is that even possible? How can a box the size of a fridge study the air on a planet that's light years away? Honestly, the science behind this sounds like straight up magic. And the way it works, well, it's one of those things that's kind of simple in theory, but absolutely mind-bending when you really think about it. It's called the transit method. So step 1, you wait for an exoplanet to pass in front of its star. Step 2, as it does, a teeny tiny bit of that starlight shines through the planet's atmosphere, and that's the magic moment. Step 3, Pandora's job is to catch that specific beam of filtered light. It's basically reading the chemical fingerprint of that planet's air from across the galaxy. It's insane. And from that one tiny sliver of light, they can tell if there's water vapor, they can spot clouds, they can figure out what gases are in the air, and, this is the big one, they might just find what are called biosignatures. Weird chemical signals that could only mean one thing: life. So you might be thinking, okay, it's small, it's clever, but how important can it really be? Oh, this is the best part, because Pandora represents a whole new way of doing space exploration. This little satellite proves you don't need a multi-billion-dollar price tag to make history. It's part of this new class of missions that are low cost, but hyper-focused. It's all about working smarter, not just building bigger. And it's not a lone wolf either. Think of Pandora as a scout. Its job is to go out there and find the most interesting places, the planets that have water, that have clouds, the ones that feel promising. It's creating a treasure map for the giant telescopes of the future, telling them exactly where to point. It's stuff like this that just makes you stop and realize we are living in a science fiction movie, right now. I mean, think about it. Right now, as we speak, we have a robot driving around on Mars. We have rockets that land themselves. We have a telescope about to go sniff alien air. And down here, we're still debating if pineapple belongs on pizza and why is my Wi-Fi so slow? We are a truly weird and kind of hilarious species. But seriously, for a second, the first real undeniable proof of alien life, it might not come from some big spaceship landing on the White House lawn. It might just be a quiet little beep of data, a whisper from a small, silent telescope, just doing its job, light years from home. So, I gotta leave you with this question. Let's say Pandora finds it, that perfect chemical signature that just screams life. What should NASA do? Tell the world right away? Or keep it a secret until they are absolutely 100% sure? Let me know what you would do.